Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Today, somebody asked me, what's the difference between UnGroup and UnGroup All? It's a pretty good question. I've covered it before, but it's in a different style video. So I've got a group of blue, a group of yellow, and a group of red. If I select them all and I go up to Object and group these together, now they're one object. It says a group of 3 objects. If I have them all selected and I go to Object and UnGroup, it leaves the individual groups together. If I would select them all and go Object, Group, and UnGroup All, which I very seldom ever use, now every individual piece is ungrouped. I use UnGroup most of the time because I don't want to mess with anything else. But there are times when you need to do that so you can use UnGroup All. But just be careful when you UnGroup All and then you might move something you didn't mean to move. You know, you might get it out of order. I can't even think of the scenario, but so if now these are individuals, if I select them all and go to Object and group this together, now this is 15, a group of 15 objects. If I just go to Group and UnGroup, I'm still got individual units because they're not grouped together by themselves. I hope that answered the question, and thank you for watching.